You've watched so many videos promising online riches, drop shipping, FBA, affiliate marketing. Some folks seem to strike gold, but for you, it's been crickets. If you're tired of the hype and want real results, stick with me. No pushy sales, no magic tricks, just genuine methods that work. This video might just save you time, money, and most importantly, your motivation. I'm not here to sell you anything. I've got nothing to pitch, just real insight into what actually works online. Before we dive in, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any video. My aim is to offer what works on YouTube and what doesn't work to make your journey easier. Like many others, I went through the entire cycle. Listed my services on Fiverr, no one bought. I tried day trading but burned through my savings. I was stuck in that constant loop of trying every method YouTube threw at me, wondering, why is it working for everyone else but not me? And here's what I figured out. It's not that those methods don't work. They just don't work the same way for everyone. Each online business has its own learning curve, its own challenges, and most importantly, its own price. Whether that's time, money, or mental bandwidth. So the real question isn't which one works. It's which one works best for where I'm at right now. I've spent a lot of time researching different models. After digging into what works for real people, not just gurus, I found 2 online businesses that consistently show results. Let's break them down, starting with one that surprised me. If you've never heard of Kindle Direct Publishing, here's the deal. You can publish low-content books on Amazon, think journals, planners, coloring books, funny prompts, and the best part, you don't need to be a writer or even a designer. People are using Canva to create covers, Creative Fabric for ready-made interiors, and TikTok to promote their books. All with little to no upfront cost. Some creators are posting 2-3 videos a day under hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, hashtag journal notebook, hashtag journal to buy, hashtag book journal. Their strategy makes short, scroll-stopping videos. Once they figure out what goes viral, they rinse and repeat, and it's working especially well for books that are visually shareable, like guided journals, funny niche books, or themed diaries. Let's say you price your book at $16. Amazon takes their cut, sure, but the rest? Yours. If just 1% of people who view your TikTok buy the book and you hit 50,000 views, that's around $500 in net profit from one viral video. That's what I mean by scalable. You're not betting on one launch, you're building a system. Here's how to get started. Set up your KDP account, free. Create your book using Canva and Creative Fabrica. Make a TikTok account for your publishing niche. Upload your book to Amazon KDP, post 1 to 3 TikToks daily showing the book in different ways. Replicate what performs and drop what doesn't. Simple steps, but powerful results if you stay consistent. Now let's talk about YouTube, the long game with the highest ceiling. I studied a bunch of small channels, and what I found is this. Even with just 10-20 solid videos, creators are generating real income. Not because they went viral, but because they built value and consistency. To really earn on YouTube, you need to understand 2 key metrics. CPM, what advertisers pay for 1,000 views. RPM, what you actually take home after YouTube's cut. But that's just one stream. Successful creators also earn from affiliate links, sponsorships, channel memberships, merch sales, YouTube premium revenue, exclusive content like Patreon. And you don't need fancy gear to start. You just need the right structure. Here's how to launch your YouTube channel the smart way. Pick a niche you enjoy. Research your audience. What are they searching for? Create your video, title, thumbnail, script, edit, tags. The last step is to upload and go live. Once your video is up, track 2 metrics closely. The CTR and retention. The CTR is how many people click your thumbnail. Retention is how long they stay watching. These are the signals YouTube uses to decide if your video deserves to be pushed to more people. The secret? Make videos people want to click and can't stop watching. Both Kindle Publishing and YouTube work, but they work best for those who stick with them. If your goal is to earn a little extra cash on the side, you can handle most of it yourself. But if you're aiming for something bigger, like quitting your job or building a full-time income, you'll need to think like a business owner. That might mean outsourcing editing, or scaling content, or reinvesting profits. Whatever your path, remember this: every time you overcome a hurdle, you level up your skills. Have you tried any of these online business models before? Drop a comment below. I want to know what's worked for you and what hasn't. If this gave you real clarity, not just another hype video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.